Hi, I am Luke Heckel, Commercial Sales Manager for Sonos in the Americas, and I'm here to talk about our Era 100 Pro. So Era 100 Pro is our first wired-first solution that was purpose-built for commercial applications and commercial integration. So Era 100 Pro is based on the acoustic architecture of our very popular all-in-one Era 100. So there is a elliptical low-frequency driver, two high-frequency drivers that give you an amazingly wide coverage pattern and an incredibly broad frequency response, getting all the way down to 45 hertz and up to 20K out of a really modest profile enclosure. The mount itself might even be the key feature of this. It's designed for incredibly fast, intuitive, and easy installation and repeatable aiming angles. It's an indexed ball joint, allows you to go from speaker to speaker to speaker and install them at very predictable aiming angles consistently across the entirety of the space. And we also just launched our Junction box adapter plate, which can be critical to commercial installations when code is a little strict. So those of you that are living in major metro areas and know that you can't free air wire or that speakers have to be attached to a junction box, this is a key part of the solution that can be utilized with 1 gang, 2 gang, 4x4 square, or even the Euro round boxes. So altogether, it's a comprehensive solution that delivers Sonos into commercial environments with our first product that is purpose-built for commercial design and commercial installation. For more information, go to sonos.com.